this pine cone? Yeah, those things, we've been checking at it. They left a couple of little scuff marks on it. But these are just look like the basic scuff marks you see on all the solar panels when people call in. What I'm saying is these are the kind of scuffs that you sometimes will get just in the process of installing them. This seems totally fine. Now, I'll tell you what, we haven't cracked the glass and everything looks fine there. There is a really good chance that we're starting to cause micro cracks. That's when the cell inside starts to fracture a little bit, independently of the front glass. And if you Google a solar snail trail, you will find this phenomenon where cracks in cells slowly over time start to take on this appearance where it looks like snails have crawled over the top of it. It's not an uncommon thing to see, right? I've been doing solar support for 15 years, and it's not a cause for concern. Most of the folks who report having snail trails have no clue when they started because they just happened to notice them at some point. And, they didn't notice on their output monitoring because they didn't produce any less power. Then it's fine, and I'm worried about nothing. And that's the case nearly every time. But I've never had it affect anything.